Due to the strength and dimensional stability of Gyproc Habito, fixing centres for both metal and timber frames are every 600mm centres, and on external corners 400mm centres, compared to standard plasterboard fixing centres which are at 300mm centres and 200mm on external corners. Fix your Gyproc Habito board to all frames with the appropriate high-performance screw. We are using the 40mm length here for a single layer of board into the timber frame to ensure minimum penetration of 25mm into the timber studs. Lightly butt boards inserting screws no closer than 10mm from the edge of the board. For door openings, you can either pre-cut the boards prior to installation or overboard as demonstrated here. When you are overboarding with the board fully fixed in position, use a handsaw to cut along the head of the door frame and score down the side of the frame before creating a break in the board and snapping as demonstrated here. Where the board oversails the door frame by less than 100mm, this will need to be cut by either a handsaw or, as is demonstrated, a jigsaw or reciprocating saw. The same techniques can be used for any openings within a partition. The process is the same for metal stud partitions. Here we are using a 25mm high-performance drywall screw to ensure the minimum penetration of 10mm into the metal studs. Screw centres are again at every 600mm.